to meet Vince, and he has this super duper cool 914 part slot. So let's go explore. Hi, Vince.
How you doing, Francis? Francis picked the right car to build. She's got a good eye for cars. When I spotted the 914 when I was 17, I fell in love with it and I had to have one. So I ended up buying one, and fast forward, I've had 914s throughout my whole life.
So speaking of buying cars, we saw your part slot on OfferUp, and it's actually kind of funny because I bought my car on OfferUp, and it was a pretty good deal. Since you've been doing this like forever, how many Porsches in total have you think you've owned?
The 914 models I've owned in the hundreds, and restored quite a few of them. Some of them are beyond repair, they're wrecked, or they're rusted beyond repair, and in that case it will be parted out and used for parts for people restoring their 914s. And I should have everything on your list, actually.
Oh my gosh. All right, well,
for your 76 914.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's do that.
I'm so excited.
So Francis, you did mention that you have a 1976 914. The 75-76 versions had a large bumper. It was known as the impact bumper, and a lot of people like to backdate and go to chrome. But this is basically what the early rear bumpers would look like. Francis also mentioned that her car was converted to electric, so there was a little bit of cutting in the rear trunk to accommodate the batteries. I'll show what I have as far as donor cars, pieces that we can cut off. And since Francis is interested in learning how to weld, she can actually do the repair herself. So the part that you're actually in need of would be this section right here.
Yeah.
So apparently they cut all this out to accommodate the large batteries and the electric motor.
Our H-hole metal is like all rusted, and I think it rusted through.
It's a very common problem with all 914s, especially on the passenger side, because like I said, that's where the battery is mounted.
So I want like, how do you pronounce it? The big
Blaupunkt.
Yeah, Blaupunkt, or the Sapphire radio for my car, and I don't know where I should find those. So do you have any ideas where I should find them?
I happen to have a couple of hopefully period correct Sapphire Blaupunkt radios for your 76 model. Radios happen to be a rare item for these cars.
I did not expect to find all these cars. This is like a gem.
It's very nice meeting you, Francis, and I'm very happy you picked the 914. Happens to be my favorite Porsche as well.
Thank you
Take
so
care.
much.
Take care.
Bye.
I like that. I'm going to look it up on Instagram.